Hey guys, it's Dallas heading from the 2 Hour Circle. We are officially back on the road today, but I'm leaving Scooter at home. There's storms predicted and we've got a whole bunch of stuff to cover. We'll see you on the road. It's raining. Is it a good day to go and see what's out in the circle? It absolutely is. Alright, we are on the road. So first stop is coffee, yeah? Coffee. So today, Sharon behind the wheel. Good morning, Sharon.
Morning.
And Monica in the back seat. She's going to, apparently she's going to do some in-car karaoke, so stay tuned for that. Please don't forget that our GoPro footage is provided generously by the guys at Harvey Norman Beval. How good were they to help us out when we needed it in a tight spot? We're going to head down and hopefully hit the Dinmore Tea House. The coffee van down there should be open. We're going to grab a coffee and I will catch you on the road very, very soon. I've got a routine and everything works, but today I'm like absolutely not in control. So, does somebody want to tell me what we're doing today? We're going to Alpaca Farm. We're going to go and check out some alpacas because I struggled to tell the difference between a llama and an alpaca apparently. Big shout out to the guys at the Bearded Dragon just there. We're going to go and check out a historic tunnel. I think it's called Liss Tunnel. All right, and being that the area that we're going to was once very timber orientated, that should be interesting. There should be a ton of history there for us to check out. We haven't really decided on lunch yet, but I reckon since we're winging it, we'll just wing it. So I'll check in with you again shortly. But before I do that, I had some prizes to give away. Oh, later on today, we're going to give away a voucher for Ant Ranch Upholstery. $50 voucher there for you to spend at Ant Ranch Upholstery. We're also going to give away a $50 voucher for Tony's Kitchen. Now, people who are already in the draw for that, so I'll check that out today. Probably when you get a chance to sit down and have a cup of coffee or something, I'll check all that out for you. But I will be back to you as soon as we get some more information. I'm winging it. I've got no idea what I'm doing. What are you munging on?
Curry pasty.
And a sarsaparilla.
Old school sauce.
We are going old school. Awesome.
We just need chips and gravy.
Oh, I reckon we can. We'll see what we get. We might even, we mightn't be too far from the alpacas.
Nice.
Hopefully they'll let us in, yeah? They might let me in. I don't know about you. It's raining. We're doing the best we can to put something together for you. So a lot of the cafes and restaurants are full. People are lining up out the doors and the cafe owners are doing the very best they can to accommodate people. But we've decided to go old school. So I've just gone in here and ordered myself a curry pie. So let's go and check that out. Hey, old school. Gotta love that. Country pies and sweets. Now their pies are oven baked. And they're not done with butter, they're done with lard. So it's a real old school pie. So I've ordered a curry pie with, it's got mashy peas on the top. Have a go at that. So we have gone a rainy day, old school, mushy peas with a pie. Sharon's got a steak and mushroom pie. You've had your pasty, whatever you were munging on earlier. What a day. See you again soon. Okay, so it's pouring rain. And we found the tunnel and now we have to walk 90 metres down this track here. And the girls have all got umbrellas, look, umbrellas everywhere. And they're worried about me locking the car because people will steal the car in it if it's raining. All right, so it's a 90-metre walk down here. I'll catch up with you in a second. Alrighty, so we found the tunnel. So just behind me I've got a big head. So this was a tunnel that was relevant in a time when the sawmill and the logging industry was in full flight out here at Canungra. I said that correctly this time. And I will take a photo of the information sign. I tried reading it, but there's a few letters missing, so you have to kind of fill in the blanks. But ultimately, what I'll do to help you out is I will put up a Wikipedia link to give you a little bit more information about what is known as Liss Tunnel. It's a tramway tunnel, which is really interesting. Our next stop, the Alpaca Farm. And we're doing it for you on a wet, rainy day. I feel like a cave troll or something. Hang on. Look. I'm a garden gnome. Woohoo! This is Ed Sheeran, everybody, and I thought he was better looking than that, but apparently, when he's all wet, he's just as frumpy as I am. So yeah, this is Ed Sheeran, and we are at the Alpaca Farm, and very soon we're going to meet somebody who works here, who's going to tell us all about the difference between an alpaca and a llama, and it's very, very bad if you get it wrong. I'll see you soon. Hey guys, it's Dallas. The cameraman's deserted us, so I'm behind the camera, and Shania is in front of the camera, and she's going to tell us what is the definable difference between an alpaca and a llama, and why should you never get it wrong?
So the alpacas are pretty small, cute, friendly, fuzzy alpacas. This one's a bit wet at the moment. Llamas are bigger animals, more aggressive animals, and they don't produce this high quality fleece that you can see here on Ed. So, generally speaking, that makes alpacas better.
Okay, so all of the beautiful products that you can buy in store, those are because of the quality fleece?
Yes, so it's thermal, it's a hollow fibre, super strong, super durable.
And true or false, llamas and alpacas are related to camels?
Correct. They're from the camelid family.
Yay, I get it right. Thanks very much, and we're glad we stopped here at the Alpaca Farm.
Awesome, thank you.
Thank you. Well, ladies, that's it. We've done food, we've done tunnels, we've done alpacas. We missed out on the wine tasting because of the coronavirus thing, which is, you know, that's just the way of the world at the moment. Have you all had a good day?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
And now, not to put her on the spot, but you promised us karaoke.
Done a few snippets along the way.
But we didn't film it. We didn't film it. We've saved you. Like a band of gypsies, we're going down the highway.
Going around the bend again.
Guys, we've had a great day. It's been raining. We've done the best we can to bring you something that's educational and entertaining. Guys, that's it. That's a wrap. So we will see you somewhere out in what we like to call the 2 hour circle. Bye for now. Again, just can't wait to get on the road again. Father's love is making music with my friends, and I can't wait to get on the road again. Take it away. That's a wrap, boys and girls. We've been in the car together. for far too long. Like a band of gypsies, we go down the highway. See?